Sit next to each other again, take a picture of them. Please. Taylor is in second row, or number 2. You gotta move your head, dear. You can go forward, I'll move the camera.
You took last. Hey Taylor, try it if you want. Take it off if you want.